of Maharashtra and the controversy that seems to have erupted at the KDMC Shastri Nagar Hospital in Dombivli after a Shiv Sena Shinde faction corporator and his supporters were accused of assaulting doctors and nurses. Now, this incident allegedly began over the referral of a pregnant patient and had triggered a protest by the hospital staff, who are now demanding strict action against those responsible. Now, this CCTV of this very incident that seems to have surfaced, purportedly now showing the Shiv Sena corporator along with a few men assaulting two doctors inside the hospital, and the doctors that have further alleged, Paras, that they were also threatened with dire consequences. If you can take us through what all has happened.
So this entire situation happened one day ago, where corporator of Dombivli, Ramesh Matre, went to a hospital in KDMC, Kalyan Dombivli Nagar Palika, where there was a pregnant woman, and during this entire situation, there was a referral which was given by the doctors of this hospital that there is no beds available over here. That's why you need to go to another hospital. And at that time, there were some words which was exchanged between the doctors and Ramesh Matre in this entire case. After that, Ramesh Matre and his supporters manhandled doctors, nurses, and then this entire situation got worsened. Now the situation is that the FIR has been registered against the supporters of Ramesh Matre, and in this entire matter now police is examining all the investigation. They are examining CCTVs and investigating this matter very much thoroughly. Now this is a major concern that if there was something, why manhandling was the only option. Ramesh Matre is from the Shinde camp, and he is a corporator over there in Kalyan Dombivli. So there are many questions which has been raised after this entire situation has came into light. If you can see in the
that has also been done on part of the doctors there, and this has now left the patients stranded, forcing many to either wait for the treatment or seek care in private hospitals as well. Thank you very much for the moment, Paras, for joining us here on the broadcast. We're going to head into a very short